Hello dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making my very own DIY mango organic butter, and I'm so excited to share this because you all don't know, but you're going to find out today. I am going to be making my very own products because I want to focus on organic products being implemented into my body, but especially products that I can use for my baby boy who is 10 months old. So I decided to go on a journey of finding out, seeking, researching all products that are organic, but not just organic, that are also safe to use on infants. So I'm showing you these products today, which is very simple because there are only 2 ingredients that you too can use on your baby or yourself. So definitely enjoy, subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you like videos that are DIY, relaxed hair care, or anything also that is DIY projects that I'm implementing on my channel, definitely you want to subscribe because I am going to be showing you along the journey. We're going to be learning together, but I'm also going to be teaching you how to do things at home. So enjoy, dolls. I will be tapping back in a little bit later. If you again are not subscribed, definitely subscribe, like this video if you like videos like this, and also share for anyone that you think will also like videos like this as well. So after melting down my butter, I then placed the butter into the freezer between 5 to 7 minutes to solidify, and my results came out perfect. It was just the right consistency that I needed to prepare for the next step, which is blending. And these are the results that I have now. Next thing I do after pouring the mango butter into another bowl, I then use my hand blender. This took forever. I recommend you all getting a much more powerful blender because it just took so long, and I feel like I would have got better results with a more powerful blender, and it would have been a lot fluffier, softer because the air that will be placed into the product. I then cover the mango butter for again another maybe 5 to 10 minutes to let it sit and settle in, and I got butter results. So soft, so silky. I love it. So mango butter is known to be rich in vitamin A and E. It also is a deep moisturizer as well as rejuvenating effect on both the strands and the scalps, lady. It fortifies the strands from the inside out. It softens dry hair, reduces breakage, and smooths split ends. Okay, so let's talk about grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is known to add moisture. It is also known to add strength and shine to the hair. Grapeseed oil is also known to help with brittleness, hair loss, and graying. And last but not least, grapeseed oil is known to have impressive antioxidant properties. So my baby has a different texture than I have. His hair is curly, and if you know, curly hair tends to be very dry. So I am constantly trying to put moisture in his hair, hence why I am on the hunt for natural products. But nonetheless, he has beautiful hair, and we are trying to maintain that. Okay, before washing his hair with the shampoo, I wanted to make sure that I had some moisture in his hair just because it was very dry. So I did like a Prepoo is what you would call it. That's basically just treating the hair before you wash out the natural oils. So again, this is something that will allow the hair to have that extra shine. It will also allow it to be more manageable when shampooing and detangling. And it also provides the hair with an extra protective layer. So this is helpful because shampooing can strip moisture from the hair, and applying this moisture after shampoo isn't always enough to restore lost moisture. Okay, so the shampoo that I am using is by a company called Honest. It is a hypoallergenic body wash and shampoo duo that is made without harmful chemicals that irritate your baby's sensitive skin. And he is known in the past to have like baby eczema and just a lot of sensitive skin issues. So I thank God for Honest products because that's pretty much what I've been using since he's been born, and it has helped a lot with his skin. I washed his hair 2 times and then rinsed his hair with cool water. If you have not already liked this video and subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that to stay updated with all of my updated videos related to hair as well as DIY projects. Y'all, he was giving me a hard time putting this on. All he wants to do is chew it and and just be in control.
Oh, no.
And it's just so funny because he just keeps taking it off, and I was just working with what I had. So I went ahead and just started from the back, rinsing his hair out, and just, like I said, did as best as I could to make sure that I didn't get it in his eyes. Again, even though it is fragrance free as well as sensitive for the eyes, so it didn't do no harm. But you know, look at him looking like alfalfa. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. After washing his hair, this is what his hair looks like. His little curl pattern. It's definitely stripped the oils. So I'm going in, like I said, to make sure I put this mango organic at that butter throughout his hair. I already rubbed it on his skin, feeling really soft and moisturized. So I definitely will be implementing this in his hair journey as well as my own. Comment down below if you have to chase your kids around the bed, the house to put in products, because y'all, I was over it by this time. I was like, you know what? I cannot do that. But no, playing, yes, it took a lot of toys and singing to kind of just keep him a little bit still. But yeah, it worked. I do not place his hair in this baby bun too long. I basically just keep it in for a couple of maybe hours, and I take it out just because I don't want that tension on his hair. It was just so you all could see his curl pattern. But I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next video. If again you have not already subscribed, go ahead and do that. Like this video and share with anybody else who is interested in DIY organic mango butter and other recipes that I will be sharing with you all soon. See you dolls later. Bye.